My next upload is with regard to my application for my human rights to be respected. In Tralee, County Kerry, in my application, there's explanation regarding the state care order that was implemented. It's just a description of the offences that I experienced. So the articles that were briefly outlined during the period 2017 to 2019 were Article 5, Liberty and Security, Article 6, Fair Trial, Article 8, Privacy, Article 14, Discrimination, Article 17, Abuse of Rights. Due to the obstacles and obstructions, there wasn't any support for the application to be fully completed. The Medical Council of Ireland, prior to this, the Mental Health Commission, prior to this application, and HICWA and TUSA and the Legal Aid Board were all informed of the offences that I had unduly experienced. This is a serious incident of hate crime violation of human, women and children's rights, as well as violations of privacy, bodily integrity, and spiritual violations, identity theft and financial abuse. As a married mother, I've experienced financial abuse, theft and exploitation in my marriage. The issue of treason and individuals in my proximity trying to perform further illegalities while trying to attain simple little things like my granduncle's photo, simple little things like that, stealing from my family's royal patronage, are in my proximity, disturbing the peace and ignoring the protection laws and the fact that they're not within remit as repeat offenders. So as I mentioned, during my marriage I experienced desertion, financial abuse and theft, spiritual violence on my marital home. I also experienced physical injuries, which I haven't been reimbursed or compensated for. I haven't received reparations for 3 years of no spousal support. The individuals responsible for causing disharmony in my family life have intruded upon me here in my social housing when I should be living on my marital property in Tobernamult, Ardfert and Kilflynn. They have perverted my privacy and they have disrupted the harmony of a peaceful environment, of a woman self-healing from medical negligence. So the people coming in and out of this building relaying falsehoods that are assisting desertion, adultery, slander and defamation of a royal are committing offences not only against the state but against royalty. They have also been responsible for damages and harms to my child. So as an educator that has worked with 3 state departments, I would appreciate the United Nations contacting me immediately. The individuals in my proximity of retaliatory and exacerbatory offences that have conducted defamation online and not taken responsibility for their offences are misattributing their defamatory work to a woman that doesn't even speak of the individuals that caused my son and I offence. So the representatives and assistants to these offences that trespassed onto my marital property in Tobernamult in 2017 are not within remit as repeat offenders. So I'd appreciate the guards and the government addressing these issues immediately, as well as the United Nations. I'm in Tralee, County Kerry.